INFJs are known for their introverted nature and their sensitivity to the world around them. But even the most introverted INFJ can sometimes find themselves feeling overwhelmed by their surroundings. Here are 5 unexpected situations that can overstimulate an INFJ and how you can cope. Being in a crowded place. INFJs are introverted, meaning they get their energy from spending time alone or with close friends and family. Being in a crowded place can be overwhelming for them because it can be too much sensory input to process. They may feel bombarded by the sights, sounds, smells, and touch of so many people. This can lead to feelings of anxiety, stress, and fatigue. Unexpected change of plans. INFJs like to have a sense of control over their environment. Unexpected changes to plans can be stressful for them because it can feel like they're losing control. They may start to worry about the unexpected consequences of the change, or they may feel like they're not prepared for the new situation. Loud noises. INFJs are sensitive to noise, so loud noises can be very overwhelming for them. They may feel physically uncomfortable, such as getting headaches or feeling nauseous. They may also start to feel anxious or stressed. Too much social interaction. INFJs need time to recharge after social interaction. Too much socializing can be exhausting for them because it can drain their energy. They may start to feel drained, overwhelmed, and even irritable. Unstructured time. INFJs like to have a plan. Unstructured time can be difficult for them because they may not know what to do with themselves. This can lead to feelings of anxiety, boredom, or restlessness. It's important to remember that everyone experiences sensory overload differently. What may be overwhelming for one person may not be for another. If you think you may be an INFJ, it's important to pay attention to your own reactions to different situations and learn what helps you to cope with sensory overload. Here are some additional tips for coping with sensory overload. Identify your triggers. What are the specific situations or stimuli that tend to overwhelm you? Once you know your triggers, you can start to avoid them or develop strategies for coping with them. Take breaks. If you start to feel overwhelmed, take a break from the situation. Go to a quiet place, close your eyes, and take some deep breaths. Use relaxation techniques. There are many relaxation techniques that can help to calm the mind and body. Some examples include meditation, yoga, and Tai Chi. Talk to a therapist or counselor. If you're struggling to cope with sensory overload, talking to a therapist or counselor can be helpful. They can teach you strategies for managing your symptoms and help you to develop a coping plan.